FitLabPGH is back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. I want to talk a little bit about a balance beam. Shout out to the Foot Collective. We'll have the Instagram link. A bunch of physical therapists or physiotherapists up in Canada who do some neat things and give you some exercises. Recommendation, put it on a yoga mat or set it on a rug. This works best if you pick a spot 6 or 8 feet ahead of you. And the idea first is just to work on balancing on it. This side is not going to be good because I have a cat that's right where I'm trying to focus on. And then what I'm working on, which is still really bad, but getting better, is being able to step forward and balance and then step off. Spend a couple of minutes every day when I have a few free minutes to work on my balance, and we'll probably come back in 6 or 8 weeks and I'm going to be significantly better. Thanks for joining FitLabPGH. Check out our podcast, FitLabPGH and Moving to Live.